Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time to watch my videos, just subscribe to my channel to stay connected by following the different steps on the screen. Today we will discuss about the new Infinix, the Infinix Smart 3 Plus. As we know, the Smart series is one of the series of Infinix having basic features and is very low cost, less than 70 CFA. We'll start now unboxing. At the first time, we'll remove the plastic cover. Before buying this smartphone, you have to check if it's very covered by a plastic. Please be careful. After removing the plastic cover, when you open the box, you have at the first time the smartphone. As you can see, it's looking very nice. We'll discuss after that about it. On the box, you have the warranty card. Please be careful, keep it safely. If anything happens, you can go to Calcare. After that, you have the charger and a USB cable 2.0 and a earphone. On the box, we have different paper, like one paper giving information about the products, another one is about the user manual, and the last one is regarding his club booklet. After that, we have a flexible screen protector and a very nice plastic case with nice design. It's a very nice design. You can check it. I think it's the first time of Infinix having this kind of design. In the last one, we have the SIM ejector tools. You can use it to remove SIM card slots. When you see the Infinix Smart 3 Plus, it's looking like the Infinix S4. Same design, same water drop screen. On the top, you have nothing. On the right side, you have the slot of card SIM. We'll check what is there. By using the SIM ejector tools, you can see that the Infinix Smart 3 Plus can take, as you can see, 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Those SIM cards are 4G. As we can see, on that side, nothing is there. We'll show on the other side of the Infinix Smart 3 Plus. On the bottom, we have different output and inputs. The first one that I will show you on that side is the speakers. After that, we have the micro USB port, the microphone port, and the jack 3.5. On the front of the Infinix Smart 3 Plus, we have the camera having 8 megapixels as camera and 6.2 inch as screen. This screen is HD Plus as configuration, IPS, and 90 by 9 size. On the back, we have 3 different cameras with dual flash. The first one is 2 megapixels, 13 megapixels, and the last one is VGA camera. So as you can see, we have also the fingerprint sensor that's very fast. According to the storage, the Infinix Smart 3 Plus have 32 GB and 2 GB as RAM. It's very big to have many things in your smartphone. I will switch it on now to see how the Infinix Smart 3 Plus look. The CPU of the Infinix Smart 3 Plus is Helio A22 having as configuration 2 GHz as speed and it's quad core. Also the OS of the Infinix Smart 3 Plus is Android 9 running on XOS 5.0, the Cheetah. He have also 3500 mAh as battery. After switching on the mobile, I just check the camera. Please check on the right side the result of the back camera and the front camera result that is a selfie. I think it look very nice. It's all about my unboxing for the Infinix Smart 3 Plus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.